Alright guys, so I got the head off the car. I'm not sure what exactly broke on it. The head gasket just looks like it kind of separated. There's coolant all throughout the block and in piston on top of cylinder number one. So today is going to be cleaning all that up. I'm going to be scraping the block and the head in order for the new gasket to set and create the good seal, and then hopefully everything should be back together by tonight. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Hey guys, I got the head all reinstalled, the new gasket, got everything cleaned up, and putting the cam gear back on was a little bit of a pain. I had to pull out the time and chain tensioner, which is a little harder to get to, so I was able to pull that out, got everything bolted back up, got most of the coolant system rerouted, still working on the valve cover, along with a couple of the accessories, the intake manifold. I got the exhaust bolted up already, so I'm slowly getting everything done. So hopefully I should probably able to drive the car tomorrow. I took a small break to go get some dinner with my family, so I hopefully should be able to get everything dealt with tomorrow. Tomorrow I also have a crab feed that I have to go to for charity, for one of the charities that I'm a part of called Camp Taylor. Probably in the next video I'll get into a little bit more into that and a little bit more of my background, because I realize I haven't really introduced myself and who I am and what I do. So I kind of want to let everybody know that kind of stuff. So hopefully you like to follow along with the journey. Alright guys, just kind of touching base. It's a couple days later. I had to work a couple days after the crab feed, which went really well. As the car show that I do, Cars for Hearts, along with my brother, my family, and people that are now I considered family, we were able to, during the crab feed, present a award like we did for all the cars at the car show that we had in October. That was the year and the total balance that we had donated, and we had just donated just under $7,000 this year. I think it was like $5,000 last year, so we're aiming for $10,000 this year. So as we get more and more things available for that, I will let you guys know, so I can hopefully get some people out there, more people out there than we had last year. I just gotta let you guys know we're currently working on picking out a date right now. So as soon as I get that information, I will let you guys know. But checking back on the car, I just got the valve cover installed, the intake manifold's on, the exhaust is all bolted up. I only have left to install the spark plug wires, the coil pack box, the intercooler, and the intake. So I'm trying to get all that installed tonight so I can start the car, put oil in it, put coolant in it, and hopefully bleed the coolant system tonight. So hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, here's where I'm at. I got everything put together, went to start the car. It was just clicking, ended up dumping a bunch of fuel out of the fuel rail. So I had to pull the intercooler back off, pull the fuel rail back out. I pulled all of the injectors out, redid all the seals on the injectors, and I'm having a little bit of trouble getting the injectors and the fuel rail back into the motor. So I gotta look up how to do that, an easier way hopefully. But I'm gonna be heading to bed, so we'll catch back up with you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so the cool thing is I can finally finish this video. I'm still bleeding the coolant system, but everything else so far is running really well. I was able to fire up the car this morning. I'm not gonna be able to start it now because it's roughly 12:30 at night. Just getting home from work, trying to fire it up again, but I realized how loud it's gonna be. And where my garage is, there's a house right above us, so I can't really be doing that with how loud this thing is. I should be able to do in the next video, get the car started for you guys, let you guys see how loud it is, so you guys will be able to see what's going on. But the good news is the car is finished. Putting the bumper on, just got to put the skid plate on, and then I should be able to put it back on the ground and maybe even drive it tomorrow.